ya uthuthuria kuma gwĩ cukuru wa Human Resource Management uria watabanirio mweri wa wetatu wonanitie ati makiria ma aruti wira igana ria 10 na eri a thirikari ya kaunti ino ya Elgeyo Marakwet makorirwo makiandikwo na njira ya ngungo na makoretwo makiamukira mucara mugaru na watho. Munene wa cukuru uyu ni Thirikari agithoma riboti ino augite ati thirikari ino ikoretwo ikihuthira misara ya ciringi bilioni 3.8 handu ha bilioni 2 na makiria gukorwo makiriha aruti wira aya amaigirira.
County has at least 3 documented payrolls, and we are saying they should be abolished. We should have the only one IDPD, and if we must, one other for running these other ones which are casual and temporary. The people who are in the payroll, they did not come for the head count. They are 112. These ones, the audit deems them to be ghost temples. A ghost is defined as somebody who appears during paydays and disappears until the next paycheck. There were 359 people, let me call them people, who appeared for the head count, but they are not to be found in any of the payrolls. Somebody is paid by this county as a permanent employee, does not get time for one day to appear for the head count. But somebody else who is not on the payroll decides to appear for the head count.
ECDE, we are strongly recommending that those teachers, Your Excellency, should be given PNP. We met them. They didn't even have pay slips.
What from here is that we will have to have an implementation committee of this report, of course, and we interrogate some of the things further. Kama wale hakukuja, those ones who didn't come for the count, I think that one, the immediate thing is that I will instruct payroll to stop so that they produce themselves. Because if you cannot come and present yourself on audit, it is impossible that you can be working in our county. Those are some of the things we should be doing. Looks like there are a lot of letters left, right, and center. If you've been that culprit writing letters all over, employing people, please stop it from today, because it will be known. An audit will just come, it will show your name, you are the one who employed people irregularly.
Somewhere where you will find you can see that sometimes all of us don't know how to be after looking at our gaps, addressing all the gaps.